Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, my hair is looking so gross. I actually tried some combo, I literally did it yesterday. This is day 2 hair. It looks so bad. So today I'm gonna be trying to fix it. So if you wanna see how I'm gonna try to fix it or how I fix it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down. And this is what it's looking like. It's so frizzy, like it should not look like this. We do have some flaking. I don't know if you can see it. So I guess I don't wanna wet my hair. So I wanna do this without getting it wet because I'm not gonna wait for it to dry. So let me see. What products should I use? Oh my god, it's so itchy. Ugh, the flakes. I got salt and pepper coming out of my hair.
Sorry about that.
So let's see. I'm gonna use 2 products today. I'm gonna use the TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel and the Jane Carter Solution Revitalizing Leave-In. My theory is if I can use something that's not, like if I can use a spray leave-in and a like moisturizing gel, I'll be good and I won't have to wet my hair. So let's just see how this goes. So I'm gonna do a small section again. Pin this up. And I'm gonna spray it. So the combo I use that I have in my hair right now, I use the Biotin Infused Gel, the main choice, and the leave-in that's in the line. And the only difference is I didn't use an oil and I didn't use the Diva Curl Be leave-in, and my hair is flaking like crazy. So I obviously need to use those products all together if I want to get better results. So this is what my hair is looking like after I spray it a little bit. It like, okay, I don't want to soak my hair though. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go in with the TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. I've never tried this before. It looks pretty thick, but let's see. I'm gonna take this much. Okay, so it's not going on thick. I might be onto something right now. Let's shingle this. I'm using a pretty good amount of this gel. I hope my flaking goes away too. I think it will. Okay, and this is what it's looking like after I shingled. Okay, so I just noticed you can actually see my flakes right here.
I am disgusted.
You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let's do the next section. Okay, so I'm on to the next section. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm kind of excited to see if this actually works. The flaking though, on this side, oh my god. Not cute. And if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna be so mad that I wasted all of this product. Okay. Get them ends, they're raggedy. Get the root. What I've been doing, so my roots are like really puffy, I've been twisting it. And then I put a little down and twist it again, just so it can get to the roots more. Okay, I had to change chairs because my other one was being so loud. Like, you usually can't hear it in my videos if there's music, but that one was really getting on my nerves. So... it's getting harder as we're getting closer to the middle. Let's see. This is looking pretty good. I might have just snapped. I don't even care. I just want this to last at least 3 days and we'll be good. Because I just washed my hair yesterday. Like, I'm not waiting for it to dry again. I'm not. I hate waiting for my hair to dry. It takes forever. Oh my god, it's stuck. It's stuck. There we go. Alright guys, so I'm done. My hair looks wet. It's not wet, it's not damp, it's like less than that, but I am gonna diffuse just to scrunch it up a little bit more and speed up the drying time of this gel, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is what my hair looks like. This is actually day 2. I got lazy and forgot to film the other day, but my hair looks pretty good. Like, this will last me a couple more days. It looks way better than it did. I got rid of all the flaking, so we're not having a snowstorm coming down from our head. It looks great. I'm really happy with it, so I really do recommend trying this if you have flaking or if your hair just needs refreshed and you don't feel like washing it. Because my hair takes forever to dry, so I really just did not want to deal with all that. And this only took, I want to say, 4 hours. I started at 2, and it was dry by 6, so I was really happy with that. And I didn't use any water, so I'm kind of amazed by these results. So if you guys are too, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.